Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse here in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you. So please subscribe below and let's get started. In today's video, you are going to be getting a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way through, and I'm going to be teaching you 3 different ways. The last way is honestly my favorite way. Okay, first up, we're going to go to Lowe's.com. Now, how can you make up to $1,000 to $5,000 per month with Lowe's.com? If you don't know what Lowe's is, they sell tons of different hardware goods like grills, patio equipment, outdoor power equipment, lawn and gardens, appliances, bath, kitchen, paint, tools, and their products are honestly pretty expensive. Now, how can you make $1,000 to $5,000 per month? Well, let me show you a quick example of someone doing it. Client Graphics, they made a video on Flex Tools versus Delta Macadam Milwaukee. Basically tools, okay? They make videos on tool reviews. And this is where the magic is. Here, this is where they're making all of their money from. Not from the video views, even though it has 311,000 video views. It's from these crazy links. And these are called affiliate links, okay? They're basically referrals. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's really simple. It's really easy. Even your grandma can do it. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate promotes a product or service on their website. In this case, the affiliate is Client Graphics, okay? And they are promoting tools from Lowe's.com as well as Home Depot, actually. Okay? Affiliates promote a product or service on their website, so their YouTube channel. Whenever a customer, a viewer, clicks on that link, meaning one of these links down below in their YouTube description, conversions are tracked by Lowe's, and Lowe's is going to pay you the affiliate, which is Client Graphics. They're going to be paying him a commission. Okay? Lowe's has an affiliate program. If you look at the Lowe's affiliate program, why join the Lowe's affiliate team? They offer competitive commission rates on thousands of products from Lowe's.com. Enjoy the benefits of working with established Lowe's brand. Collaborate with experienced professionals on the Lowe's affiliate marketing team and work towards shared goals. Track your results through Impact Radius. They're looking for US-based traffic. All you got to do is create an account and apply today. Okay, so you can make videos on YouTube promoting different types of products, and you can make money this way. Another easy way to make money with Lowe's, this is the second method, is by actually buying on sale products on Lowe's.com, like these promo codes, these appliances up to 40% off, patio equipment, outdoor power equipment tools, lawn and garden, lighting and ceiling fans, and you go to eBay.com. Okay, create a listing for a certain product. Okay, all you got to do is create a listing for a certain product, and whenever someone buys through your eBay, instead of doing anything, all you got to do is go to Lowe's.com, put in your customer shipping address, and Lowe's will directly ship from their factories, their warehouses, to the customer. You don't even need to do anything but make the listing. Tons of people are doing this already on eBay, and they are making $1,000 to $5,000. All they had to do was make a listing. See, completely brand new. These aren't the guys that are making it. These are just individual sellers like me and you, and they are making money. And this is like a form of drop shipping. So whenever you get a notification on your phone saying that someone ordered a tool set from your eBay account, your eBay store, just go into Lowe's.com, type in that specific screwdriver set, for example, and you can make commissions. It's usually a lot cheaper. You could probably find these 18-piece screwdriver set for like $10 at Lowe's, and then you could sell it on eBay for $20 and making that $10 profit. It's a little hard to do it this way And later on, I'm going to be teaching you how the easiest way to make money online. My number one recommendation is honestly starting a YouTube channel on something that you are passionate about. You can use something like TubeBuddy. It's a free Chrome extension, browser extension, and mobile app that goes along with YouTube. Okay? TubeBuddy allows you advanced keyword research. Let TubeBuddy help you find high-performing, searchable videos, topics, and then craft the perfect titles and tags. It's going to help you cut publishing time in half and make videos faster. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up publishing times. It's going to help you rank higher in search results. TubeBuddy will guide you through YouTube's best practices and ensure your videos are set up for success. Get more views and subscribers, okay? TubeBuddy is free. You could get it today. There's a link below in the description. So once you install it, it's going to help you rank higher on YouTube search results. And you can make a YouTube video, YouTube channel on anything you are passionate about. And I'm going to show you high-ticket affiliate programs right now. All you got to do is go to clickbank.com and sign up as an affiliate, okay? It's basically a marketplace, a hub of tons of different affiliate programs that you can promote on your YouTube description. It's available in over 200 countries. It's been doing this for 20 years, and they've paid over $4 billion. You can become an affiliate really easily. There's over 100,000 affiliates already promoting tons of different products in tons of different niche. Okay, all you gotta do is click Start Promoting, enter your email, your password, and you can get started. Once you log in, it's gonna take you to their Clickbank marketplace. They have thousands of products that you can promote. For example, if you make a product or a video on, for example, stock trading, you could promote the Bots Live Trading Room program, and whenever someone buys that Bots Live Trading Room from your link, you're going to be making $3,000 in conversions. You can make one video per week, and your video views can only be like 100 views if you're just starting out. You're getting about 500 views per month. If you can get one person to click on that link and buys this program, you're going to be making $3,000 off 500 video views. Now, if you're like Flex Tools and you, for example, Client Graphics, they could promote tons of different affiliate programs on Clickbank that pays a lot more than what Lowe's will be paying, okay? If you want to make $10,000 per month, you can make a YouTube channel around relationship advice, and you could promote the Handsome Guy Secrets, and they pay $1,000 per conversion. Okay, Ty Lopez, they pay $1,295 per conversion. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, all you got to do is click the link below in my description. It's going to take you to a free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. All you got to do is enter your first name, your email address, and click the Get Instant Access button now, and it's going to take you to a free tutorial. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for the next one. Hit the subscribe button below. Peace